Yeah, how are you? I hope you're well. My name is Lydia and I'm your data journey partner. I today I'll be sharing a little bit about my background and how I can help you navigate your data set. We'll look at my journey through data science from my bachelor's to now working on my master's and how I turned my studies into passion for transforming numbers into impactful stories. I hope this introduction you'll find it insightful and that you'll want to work with me. So let's get started. So to begin with, I'll share a few examples of my work, including interactive dashboards and a decision tree to show you how I turn data into clear insights. What I want to highlight is that these examples demonstrate my ability to make complex data understandable and actionable. The interactive dashboards allow users to explore data dynamically, revealing trends and patterns that may not be obvious at first glance. The decision tree, on the other hand, it helps in making strategic decisions by visualizing various options and the potential outcomes. Overall, these tools are designed to simplify data analysis and support informed decision making, which is a core part of my approach to turning raw data into meaningful insight. Turning data into clear insights is really about transforming complex information into actionable insight. So, on this slide, I want to walk you through the comprehensive data journey I guide my clients through. It all begins with understanding your goals and your challenges. This ensures that every step we take is aligned with what your business need or like your data needs. Next, we focus on data preparation and analysis. This involves structurally cleaning and preparing your data so that you can build reliable models, dashboards, and visualization. This solid foundation helps us highlight the key trends that really matter and enable us provide actionable recommendation for better decision making. Finally, I emphasize simplifying complexity. Data can often seem overwhelming, but my goal is to translate it into clear, actionable language. This way, decision makers can act confidently on insight without feeling bogged down by numbers or the technical jargon. Throughout this journey, the core idea is to turn raw, sometimes very complicated data into clear, confident decision, making sure that every insight truly adds value to your business. When it comes to my expertise, I focus on a few key areas. First, I have a strong background in statistics, data visualization, and building predictive models. I use a variety of statistical tools, including R, Python, MySQL, Excel, Power BI, Tableau, Stata, among others, to develop solutions that are specifically tailored to your unique needs. What really sets me apart is my collaborative approach. I believe that working closely with stakeholders is essential. I ask the right questions to understand your objective and then I craft solutions that truly align with your goal. Ultimately, my main aim is to ensure that the data you have empowers your decisions. By combining technical skills with a client-centered mindset, I deliver insights that make a real difference for your organization. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. I truly appreciate the opportunity to share these insights with you. If you have any questions or want to discuss any of the points further, please feel free to reach out. Once again, thank you so much for being here. I look forward to connecting with you later.